You may find it hard to believe that creating a blog around your expertise, passions, and experiences can make you money online, but it certainly can. The idea is you'll create the blog in a specific niche where there's an audience. You'll then post informative and valuable content for your audience and grow the size of your blog. Once you have a blog with a lot of regular readers and good visitor numbers, then you can begin to monetize it. There are several ways you can go about doing this, including promoting your own products and services, promoting other people's products and services that are related to your niche, affiliate marketing, earn revenue through an advertising program such as Google AdSense or native ads, offer online coaching services to your audience, and sell advertising space on your blog. Creating a blog and making money from it is not something that's going to make you rich overnight. But with consistent effort, your blog can turn into a really good passive income opportunity. You'll need to put in effort to create and post high-quality content on a regular basis, and use proven techniques to increase the number of visitors on your blog. If you're not a great writer, then you can outsource this to a professional. You can do this on the contentx.press article directory or through various freelance platforms. This will free up your time to promote your blog. There are a number of free blog platforms out there, such as blogger.com or wordpress.com. It may be tempting for you to, save money and use one of these platforms, but we wouldn't recommend it. You have no control over these platforms, and one day your beloved blog might just disappear. Imagine how bad you'd feel if that happened. A much better approach is to invest in your own domain name and some web hosting. It'll only cost a few dollars a year to register and keep your domain name, and web hosting is a fairly inexpensive cost each month. You can then use the free WordPress blogging platform by installing it on your domain name. Once you've done this and added your content, no one can take this away from you. Treat your blog as a real business and prepare to invest in it. Give yourself the edge by learning about creating a successful blog. Because it's so easy to start a blog, many people do this and don't make any money off of it. You don't want to be in this position. It's very important that you choose the right niche and then set up your blog correctly to maximize your chances of success. Then you need to use proven traffic generation methods to send visitor traffic to your blog and keep it growing. A successful blog has the potential to earn you great passive income. If this appeals to you, then please check out our top quality training courses. Those will show you how to set up your blog properly and make money from it for years to come.